Many players are experiencing engine crashes and performance lag after the Manor Lords 2026 update. But this guide provides essential solutions to fix engine crash and performance lag after Manor Lords. Discover proven methods to restore smooth gameplay and eliminate frustrating lag. First, we address file integrity and driver updates, which ensures the game has all its necessary components and can communicate effectively with your hardware. Adjusting in-game settings and closing background applications frees up system resources, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Allocating more RAM and checking system requirements ensures your computer meets the game's demands. Method 2 focuses on system optimization, using a clean boot to isolate software conflicts and disabling unnecessary startup programs to reduce background processes. Uninstalling recent software and updating your operating system can resolve underlying compatibility issues. Method 3 involves hardware and system configuration, like adjusting power plan settings for optimal performance and updating your motherboard IOs for better hardware management. Method 4 delves into advanced optimization, such as optimizing page file size for better memory handling and using game-specific launch options to fine-tune performance. These steps collectively target the root causes of instability and lag.